Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript part 7. In this session we are going to discuss about looping statement, or we are going to discuss about for loop, while loop and do while. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like, share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Loop can execute a block of code a number of times. So I want to repeat something, I can create a loop. Like, okay, if you are following me from the previous session, which I strongly recommended, and I will give the link of my previous session in this video description, so you can check it out. Then you can see I am using Visual Studio Code, and I am using this JavaScript session. Till now we have created 6 sessions, and this is the part 7. Okay, so let's create one more HTML file and do the looping inside our that HTML file. So here I'm adding a new one. So this will be session 7.html, right? So here I will go to the session 5. Okay, here we have everything. This content. Okay, close this. Okay, I will copy a HTML actually. Okay, this is a simple HTML. I'm copying it to my HTML form. Okay, there is no need of button or anything. Inside here I'm adding a div id, actually my div. Okay, inside the script I will add my looping statement. In JavaScript we have for loop, while loop and do while. For loop take 3 expression, while loop take 1 expression, and do while take 1 condition. Let's see the difference of expression and conditions with the example of for, while and do while. So let's go to our HTML file. Here I am writing a for loop for I equal to 0, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Guys, in the coming session I am going to show you how to declare variable. Next coming session I am going to show you how to use operator. So don't worry about this equal to or greater than equal, less than equal to, or I plus plus. So for now I am running a loop which is, for now I am declaring integer I equal to 0, and until unless I is less than equal to 10, it will be increment 1 by 1, which is I plus plus. Now I'm creating, okay, one more var HTML. Okay, no need, straightforward. I will be writing a alert message, alert I. So for now I am keeping up to 5, 0 to 5, 1 to 5, so it will be run for 5 iteration only. Run the application, start debugging from Chrome. So you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. So in this way we can declare, we can create a for loop. Let's do this thing, same thing with while loop. How we can do while loop? We can do like this: I equal to 1, while I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. At last I'll be doing the same alert I. So what it will do, actually what it for loop do, it initialize in the same statement, it check the expression the same, and in the it increment or decrement in the same statement. But while loop, it first check the statement, then after it increment or decrement. Now run the application. So I am running, so save the file, go to browser, refresh it. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is coming from while loop. Now let's comment while loop and implement do while. What do while do? Do while is little bit tricky. In case of for loop, we have expression to check the condition, then we have increment or decrement. And then third expression. In case of while, we have expression, then after that we have increment or decrement. But in case of do while, first we are executing the code block, then we are checking it condition. How? Let's see. So here what I did, I declare a text as blank, then I declare one I as 0, then do. What it will do, it will our text, it will concatenate that actually. Okay, I will not do same thing, I will do the same alert here. It will be great to do alert because it is more understanding. Then I plus plus. While I less than equal to 5. Okay, until unless I less than equal to 5, it will do execute this block. Now I have commented my while loop, for loop, so only executing the do while. Save the page. Now go to the browser, save it. Now 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why it is started from 0? Because I have given I equal to 0. So in this way we can implement our for loop, while loop and do while in our HTML with the help of JavaScript. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like and leave your comment and suggestion in the comment box. Thank you very much.